Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss the step-by-step solution for exercise in the second subtopic for chapter 3. So the question asks you to find the derivative of the following function, and you have 4 different functions there. For the first one, you are given y is equal to ln of 2x cubed minus e power of 2x plus 2 pi. And if you recall the concept, when you are given y is equal to ln of f of x, then the derivative will be dy dx is equal to f prime of x divided by fx. So this is the concept that we are going to use, and hence we will then have my y prime, which is the first derivative, is equal to a fraction, and whatever there is my fx, so just copy that, 2x cubed minus e power of 2x plus 2 pi, and differentiating that function will give me 6x squared minus 2 brackets, which is e power of 2x times 2. And then if we differentiate 2 pi, that will give me 0. And then we just simplify that one, and I will then have 6x squared minus 2e power of 2x divided by 2x cubed minus e power of 2x plus 2 pi. And since we cannot simplify, just leave it at that. For the second question, you are given y is equal to ln 3x. Everything is raised to the power of 5. So how do we solve this one? We need to use power rule. Please remember, so if you are given y is equal to f of x, everything to the power of n, then power rule says that y prime will be n multiplied by f of x, everything raised to the power of n minus 1, and multiplied by f prime of x, and that is what we are going to use. And so my y prime is equal to 5 times ln 3x power of 4. Then I'm going to differentiate my function inside the bracket with respect to x, so differentiate ln 3x, and from there I will then have 5 times ln 3x power of 4 multiplied by 1 over x, and then we just need to simplify that. I can rewrite that as 5 over x multiplied by ln 3x, everything raised to the power of 4, and that will be my final answer. For the third question, you have ln of x squared times e power of square root of x. So if you realize this, you have a product of two things, and both are inside the bracket for the ln actually. So what we have here is in the form of ln AB, and using the laws of logarithm, we can rewrite that as ln of A plus ln of B. And then we just need to rewrite that as y is equal to ln of x squared plus ln of e power of zx. So if you recall, we have another laws of logarithm which says if you have ln a power of m, we can rewrite that as m times ln a, and hence I can rewrite this as y is equal to 2 ln x plus zx, because ln e, the value is 1, and then we just differentiate all of those with respect to x, giving me dy dx is equal to 2 over x plus 1 over 2 zx, because that is the derivative for zx. After that, we are going to just leave it at that if you don't want to equate the denominator, or the answer for dy dx will be 4 plus zx divided by 2x. As for the last question, again, if you take a look here, you have the question in the form of ln of a over b, and using the laws of logarithm, we can rewrite that as ln a minus ln b. So I can just rewrite the question here as y is equal to ln of x squared minus ln of e zx. And then we are going to use another rule of log or laws of logarithm, which says ln of a power of m is equal to m ln a. And then I will have here y is actually 2 ln x minus zx. And again, if you differentiate this, you are going to have dy dx is equal to 2 over x minus 1 over 2 zx. You can just leave it at that, or your solution can also be in the form of dy dx is equal to 4 minus x over 2x. With that, thank you. If you have any problem, please refer to me back for your consultation. Okay, thank you.